Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Look, if you've been thinking about getting Helium 10, but you've been waiting for the absolute rock bottom price, stop what you're doing right now. In this video, I'm giving you an exclusive Helium 10 discount that is going to save you way more than the average user. Listen closely. If you go directly to the official website or try to hunt down a random Helium 10 promo code from some sketchy site, you're only going to get a fraction of the savings. You need to understand, no matter what, my link is going to give you the best discount available. As an exclusive partner with Helium 10, I can guarantee you're getting the best discount on Helium 10 any time of the year. From March 14th to the 17th, 2026, you can grab 35% off the Platinum plan for 6 months. Then, from March 21st to the 24th, 2026, it's 30% off. And finally, from March 28th to the 31st, 2026, you've got another 30% off window. This weekend's offer is the big one. It goes live March 14th, 2026 at 12 a.m. PT. You get 35% off, which brings the regular price of $129 a month down to just $83.85 a month. It's locked in for 6 months, and you can cancel anytime. This is the deepest Helium 10 coupon you will find all month, making it your strongest window to save big. Here is how you get it. You must click the link in the description first. Once you're on the checkout page, you'll see that price drop instantly. Come on, man. Why settle for less or waste time searching for a fake Helium 10 promo code when you can get the deepest discount just by clicking a link? It's a no-brainer. Seriously, don't miss this. This 35% deal is the lowest price you will find anywhere. If this helps you save big, drop a like, leave a comment telling me which plan you grabbed, and subscribe for more Helium 10 discount deals and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.